Assalamu alaikum 10th class. This is your teacher Ma'am Hira, and today our lecture is of chemistry, as we have done in our online classes, which are going well, alhamdulillah. We are on unit number 1 nowadays, and the name of our unit is chemical equilibrium. We are doing exercise. We have done 3 questions of the exercise before, and now today is question number 4. I am writing the statement of question number 4 over here, like it is carbon monoxide plus 3 times of hydrogen changes to, this is the sign of the reversible reaction which goes forward once and comes back by the other. This is the reaction, question number 4. What we have to do, we have to do the first part, which is to find the forward and reverse reaction. I am finding the forward one. How will you find the forward? The forward reaction is the first one, which is in this direction, which goes from left to right. How I will write this? CO plus 3 times of hydrogen changes to CH4 plus water. This is the forward reaction. And the next is reverse reaction. How can I find that? Reverse reaction is in opposite direction, backward, from right to left. I will write that like this: CH4 plus H2O changes to, this is right to left, like this. This is our forward and reverse reaction from the above equation. Understood, guys? What is forward reaction? Forward reaction is from left to right, and reverse reaction is from right to left. These two are the A part of the question. Now I will write the second part of that. Just a second. Alright, guys. So in next part we have to find Kc of this reaction. We have to find Kc. What is Kc? Kc is the equilibrium constant. So what do we do for Kc? We write products over there and reactants over there. How I will write that? In the braces, the products are CH4, don't mark this, H2O, and the reactants of the reactions are carbon monoxide, CO, and 3 molecules of hydrogen. I will mention the number of atoms in terms of power. Number of atoms, these are the number of atom, becomes the power of the quotient. Alright, so guys, what is this? This is the Kc of that reaction, and this is the B part of the question number 4. Now in the C part, what we have to do, we have to find the units of these. How I will find the units? I will mention, you know, for units we use the term mole per decimeter cube. This term is used for the units. How I will find out the units of them? By here. For carbon methane, this is mole per decimeter cube. For water, this is mole per decimeter cube. For carbon monoxide, this is mole per decimeter cube. And for hydrogen, of course, 3 times mole per decimeter cube. This is 3 in number, so this 3 will cut from 1 to 3. All they just disconnect or cut down each other, so there are no units of this. This is your C part, where you have to find the units of the reaction. So there are no units for this reaction. Understood, guys? This is the Kc equilibrium constant expression for this equation, and these are the units for this equation. Now this question has C parts, 3 parts. We have done 3 of them. I hope you guys have understood these 3 parts. How to find the forward and reverse reaction. Our first part was how to find the Kc or equilibrium constant of the reaction. This is the second part, and how to find the units. Units of the reaction are here. You will find the units by putting the value mole per decimeter cube. Alright, class, I hope you understood this. Practice these numericals, because only practice makes a man perfect. Protect yourself and your family from COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe, and practice these numericals. Thank you, class.